The biggest challenge, at least for our crews, is laydown area. Since we're located right off the north end of I-75, we've kind of got a postage stamp for a job site, which means when you're running anywhere between 12 and 20 different crews doing all sorts of work, everybody needs laydown room. One of the best parts is that Danis, having their own self-performed drywall group, is we can prefab all these wall panels in our shop, put them on a truck, bring them out. And what makes that even better is that when we're using the 430 board, all of that gets applied at our shop. We detail everything we can at that point, and then when we come out and stand these panels up, all we have to do is detail in between the joints of the panels with Dimonic or Spec 1, any of them. It helps out a lot for that progression of a job.